I'm very excited today to be assembling my new gas grill, and it's coming together really well, except that I find that every piece has this giant sticker adhered to it, and there's no way to easily peel it off. I was thinking of using mineral spirits to dissolve the glue, but realized I would wind up with a big gooey mess, so I came up with this idea, using an electric heat gun. So I'm going to take it and apply the heat to soften the adhesive, then peel it off. Let's see how that works. Might take a minute or two, because this metal is cold. There you go, look at that, isn't that great? Came right off nice and cleanly, didn't even leave behind any adhesive. Now this is a great tip to remove stickers from any metal surface, but because of the intense heat, I'm not sure I'd try this on plastic.